Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see a program that's going to find out whether a character is a special character or not. In order to do this one, first of all you have to know the Ascii values. In Ascii values, if you check the Ascii values, you will see the special characters are in between, like 0 to 47, 0 to, let me mention this one right here, 0 to 47, and also 58 to 64, 58 to 64, and 91 to 96, 91 to 96, and then 123 and above, 123 and above. These are the special character in ASCII code. Based on this idea, we are going to create a program that's going to find out, based on the user's input, whether a user's input is a special character or not. Okay, to find this one out, we are going to introduce a character type of variable first. Let's call this one ch, and then we are going to give a prompt to the user to enter the character. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, let me erase this, and here we put enter the character, enter the character, and the user is going to enter the character. To get the input from the user, we have to put a scanf statement. In this scanf statement, since this is a character type of variable, we have to put a %c right here, and make sure you leave a space for scanf. Sometimes it create a bug if you don't leave a space. Okay, it's always best practice to put a space and put %c in scanf statement. And the next thing is, since character is a variable, like when you have array, you don't have to put ampersand sign, but whenever we have variables, we always have to put an ampersand sign in front and then ch. So whatever the value the user enters is going to be stored in ch. Now the next thing is, we are going to create a if-else statement. There's a short form of if-else statement. That is, like, let me write the general pattern. You will see something like this. Like, you will have a condition, and after that you will have a question mark. If the condition is satisfied, the first one is going to print out. Okay, let me say here, this is our condition. If the condition is true, the first one is going to print out, and if it's false, the second one is going to print out. This is a short form of if-else statement. Okay, that's the one I'm going to use right here. Now let's go ahead and use this. Now we have to satisfy one of these condition in order to be a special character. We have 0 to 47, 48 to 64, 91 to 196, and 123 and above. So we have to set all these conditions in order to be a special character. Like, we have to create, like, we have to set a condition. Let's go ahead and set this one. Okay, let's say ch should be greater than or equal to 0, and to put and we put double ampersand, and then ch less than or equal to 47, less than or equal to 47. If you look at this one, less than or equal to, if you look at this one, I set the first condition right here, right? Like that, I had to create condition for everything, but we had to put or in between. Okay, or to put or, you have to put a pipeline, double pipeline, like this, double pipeline like this. That's for or. And the next condition is, we have to have the value between 58 and 64. Let's go ahead and create that one. Let me copy paste this one. In that way it will be much easier. I'm going to copy paste this one 3 more times, because we need 58, 64, 91, 196, and also 123 and above. Let me copy this one and paste 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. In the first one, I'm going to change, like, first one is correct. The second one, I'm going to set the limit between 58 and 64. So I put 58 right here, 58, and here this would be 64, and the next one is 91 to 196. This is 91, and here 196, and the next one is 123 and above. So character is greater than or equal to just 123. Okay, so these are the conditions. If any of these conditions are satisfied, it's a special character. So we have to put it in the first one, because the true will print out. If the condition is satisfied and it's true, it's going to print out the first one. So we have to put the the character entered is a special character first, because if any of this is satisfied, it's a special character. So let's go ahead and give a printf statement for that. Let me write this one below. Printf statement, like I'm following the same order after question. Okay, first I have to put a question mark right here. I have to put a bracket. I have to close this bracket and also put a question mark. And the next thing is you can see after condition we put a question mark, then true statement, that's the one I'm going to put it right here, and after that the false statement comes. Now the true statement is if any of these conditions is satisfied, we are going to say the character entered is a special character. Okay, now this is the first. If it's satisfied, it's going to print out this one. If it's not satisfied, it's going to print out like here we have to put this one. Okay, it's going to print out the character enter is not a special character. So I copy this one and paste it right here, and here I put not a special character. Okay, now we put a semicolon and that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. And for example, E is not a special character. So if I type E, it should print out it's not a special character. The character something wrong right here. Let me double check. And the character CH, percentage and CH, and everything looks perfect. 0 and 47, 58 to 64, 91 to, this one should be 96. This one is 96. I made a mistake here. Here it's 96. Okay, that's the mistake. Now let's go ahead and run this one again. E is not a special character. It should print out it's not a special character. Okay, now it's printing out character entered is not a special character. Now let's try another one. If you put this power mark, it's a special character, so it should print out special character. The character entered is a special character, and that's how we do this kind of programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and try get access to them. And also don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.